Me without volume is like, who even am I? What is going on? I don't even recognize myself. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As always, I really appreciate it. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny, and I hope this is not the first and last. And before going on any further, if this is your first time here, I feel like I need to explain to you my love for volume. I am utterly obsessed with volume, okay? And it's probably because I struggle to get volume in my hair. And you know how they say that we want what we can't have? Well, that's my case when it comes to volume, because volume is something that I have to work really hard at, but it's something that I absolutely love and I am obsessed with. So now that I've explained that to you guys, we can just move on, and this video is going to make a lot more sense. As we all know, sharing is caring. So for today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys what I've been doing as of lately to give myself more volume. My hair right now is the longest it has been in a really long time, and I absolutely love it. I'm obsessed with it. I don't plan on cutting it. I actually wanted to see like how much longer I can get it. However, unfortunately, my curly hair type is very fine, and the longer it gets, the heavier it gets, and so I start to lose a lot of volume. I'm talking about like a significant amount. Like look at this right here. I'm suffering right now, okay? Looking at myself on the monitor with this flatness going on over here. I don't like it. So this is all caused by the weight of my hair. Obviously, the longer it gets, it's pulling on it, and so the curls get stretched out and I start to lose volume. So there are a couple of products that I have recently found. Actually, one product that's been like my holy grail. So I want to go ahead and share that with you guys, because I know I'm not the only one that struggles with this, because you guys reach out to me all the time and tell me that we have the same struggle, so I don't feel alone, you don't feel alone. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I go from this to this, then please keep on watching. Alrighty, and another thing, before going on, I don't know when you'll be watching this video, but I feel like it's very necessary that I tell you that the reason why my roots look like this is because right now we're in the middle of a pandemic. There's a stay-at-home order and we can't go out. So my roots are desperate for a touch-up. I know, but there's just not much I can do about it right now. So let's just pretend like it's not there. The star of the show for today, and that is, ta-da! This is the Ouidad Going Up Volumizing Texture Spray, and I have been using this for like about 2 months, and I have to tell you, it has completely changed my volume game, and I am so excited. This was actually gifted to me by Ouidad, so thank you Ouidad so much, because I really honestly don't think that I would have gone out and purchased this on my own. Maybe, I mean, sometimes I get extra curious, but I've never really had like texture sprays or even like dry shampoos be part of my styling routine, just because since I have very fine curly hair, anything that has like texture or anything that takes moisture or anything that makes my hair like kind of hard, I shy away from, because you guys, my hair creates a cast pretty much with anything. I feel like at this point, the only thing that does not give me a cast is water. But like I said, since my hair has been getting longer and I have been really struggling with my volume, when they gifted this to me, I was like super open to it, and I was really excited to try it, and I'm so glad that I did, because you guys, game changer. Now, the way to use this is very similar to a dry shampoo. You guys will see, like when I sprayed in my hair, you'll see that it has very similar vibe to a dry shampoo. It says, shake well, hold can 8 to 12 inches from head, spray on dry hair from roots to end, repeat as needed to build increased hold. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. This is the before. My hair right now, all I've done is I added product. I'll go ahead and now add everything I use to style my hair. In case you guys want to know, I'll go ahead and I'll add that to the description box below. I diffused my hair like about 3 hours ago, and this is it. I have not picked it. I've tried not to even like shake it up too much. This is literally what my hair looked like after I finished diffusing. So pretty much all I've done to my hair today. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Shake this bad boy. So I normally like to do everything when it comes to my hair like with my head flipped forward, because I feel like that always helps with volume, even if it's just the tiniest bit. So I do the same thing with this product. So I'm going to flip my hair forward, and like the instructions say, I'm going to hold the can like about 8 to 12 inches away from my hair, and then I'm going to spray it all over. Okay, here's the thing. Absolutely love this stuff. It is amazing. It's quickly become a must-have in my curly products. However, the only thing I don't like is it is very, very intense when you apply it. I mean, like every time I put this thing on, I legit feel like I'm choking. But I feel like a lot of dry shampoos do that, so this gives me the same effect. I find it to be really, really intense. And the way that I deal with it is like I simply just don't use it in a small bathroom or in a very enclosed area. So I think that that's like the only complaint I have about it so far. However, like the smell or like the stuffing feeling that it gives me, it doesn't last forever. But anyways, just pretty much wanted to put that out there. But let me go ahead and continue with the styling. Now I'm going to flip my hair forward and I'm going to start shaking it intensely. Okay, it can't just be me. I know you see it too. Look at the difference. I feel like I already can see a significant difference than what we had before. Now, this isn't the only thing I do. I still pick my hair. So normally what I do is I spray it once. Now, I do spray this like all over my hair. I've tried it both ways. I've tried it where I only sprayed on my roots, and I've tried it where I sprayed all over the way I just showed you guys. I prefer when I sprayed all over because I feel like the texture that it gives me over here, it helps the curls just stay a little bit more voluminous down here. I think what was happening before when I was only putting it on the roots was the roots would kind of like stay up a little bit, but then this would sort of like get very puppy, sad puppy. Very sad puppy looking. So I just feel like when I have that little bit of a texture all over my curls, it just simply helps the volume last much, much longer than when I only put it on my roots. Now, you guys obviously can't see it, but my hair does feel a little bit more textured than when I first started. When I first started, my hair felt very silky, very soft, very smooth. Now it has a little bit more of like a rougher texture. I don't mind. I actually don't feel like it's a bad kind of texture because, like, so how do I explain it? It's not the like hard cast, hairspray, sticky, or like way too much hard gel kind of cast. It's not like that at all. It just feels a little bit more just textured. If that makes any sense. But anyways, let's go ahead and continue. Now I go in with my trusty pick. I do have a video where I break down exactly how I use a hair pick to give me volume. I'll go ahead and I will link that somewhere in the video. I'll also link that in the description box below if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. But now at this point, I just start picking. And because my hair now has texture, I don't have to pick as like violently as I have to do other times. Like if my hair is just too soft, too silky, like usually day one hair, it for me is just very soft. I mean, I have to go in there like a savage with my hair pick. And sometimes I end up with like too much frizz, and so it's like the struggle. So I just, and of course we gotta flip our head forward. All right. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes, girl. I'm starting to feel like myself again. You guys, I mean, what a difference. I love it. Okay, this is really exciting. So what do you guys think? Should we like do this whole thing one more time to try to see if we can get a little bit more volume? I think so. I gotta hold my breath. Wow. I mean, I don't even look like the same person. I love it. Okay, I'm literally obsessing. Also, when I separate curls and make them thinner, that also helps me with volume. I noticed that the like chunkier, tighter, more spiraled my curl is, the harder it is for me to get volume. So it's kind of like, really? All I want is long, spirally, voluminous curls. Is that too much to ask for? Okay, guys, I mean, I'm obsessing. I'm obsessing, I'm not gonna lie. So usually at this point when I get the volume and shape that I like, I still like to go in with a little bit of hairspray. I'm not like too picky. I think as long as it doesn't leave my hair like too crunchy. I don't have any hairsprays in my house that leaves my hair too crunchy. So I usually just go, and whatever I grab, that's what I'm using. For today, I'm using the Beyond the Zone Frozen Stiff Freeze-In Volume. Now it says frozen stiff, but I really don't feel like this is a strong hold on my hair, and that says a lot. So I just kind of, not even sure if this does anything. Makes me feel like it does, so I'm gonna keep doing it. All right, I mean, yes, girl, yes. Alrighty guys, so this is pretty much it. This is what I've been doing as of lately, and I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I am obsessed. I am loving it. I am so happy that I tried this Ouidad texture spray. It has been a game changer for me. So thank you so much to Ouidad for gifting this to me. I absolutely love it. I feel like it is a huge difference, but anyways, I hope you guys found this video useful. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any tips or tricks on how to give yourself volume and keep the volume, because listen, I'll take any tip or trick because I love volume. And as you guys know, or if you don't know, I live in Miami. We got this thing called humidity, which is not my friend when it comes to keeping my volume. So let me know in the comment section below, like, what do you do for your volume? But yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope that you guys found this video useful. I love you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.